Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
If you've been following this channel for a while, you already know that I believe in a multi-style training approach. Every body is different, and there isn't just one perfect way to exercise. My philosophy is simple: any exercise you can stay consistent with is good exercise. However, if someone forced me to choose only one exercise to do for the rest of my life, without hesitation, I would pick the plank. And this isn't just based on my personal experience, science backs it up. Research shows that planks can build full body strength, lower high blood pressure, reduce chronic back pain, increase flexibility, improve posture, enhance physical appearance and muscle tone. And yes, a simple daily plank routine can noticeably change the way your body looks, feels, and performs. Stick around, because I'm also sharing insider tips to maximize strength, posture, and aesthetic results from this one exercise. But first, let's answer a question many people have. Can you really do planks every day? Let me be upfront. This part is going to feel like a bit of a rant, so if you're only here for the physical benefits and transformation timeline, feel free to jump ahead. As a fitness coach, I hear concerns all the time about repeating the same exercise daily. Many fear overtraining, joint strain, or muscle imbalance. And look, these concerns are valid when we talk about intense, heavy, or high-volume training meant to maximize muscle size. But a 1-minute plank per day is completely different. The beauty of a plank lies in its simplicity. You're not pushing your muscles to exhaustion, you're holding your body in a controlled position that trains core stability, muscle coordination, breathing control, and full body endurance without overly stressing the system. So can you do planks daily? Absolutely yes. With one small condition: listen to your body. If holding a full minute isn't possible yet, that's perfectly fine. You can start with 2 times 30-second planks, 4 times 15-second planks, or even 6 times 10-second planks. Take short rest breaks in between and progress gradually. What matters most is consistency and proper form, not forced exhaustion. How daily planks transform your body. Now for the part you came here for. Doing a 1-minute plank every day can create powerful changes, and often much faster than you think. 1. Balance improves in 2 to 3 weeks. Planks activate deep core stabilizer muscles that help control your center of gravity. As your core strengthens, everyday activities feel easier: carrying groceries, lifting kids or grandkids, moving furniture, standing for long periods, walking on uneven surfaces. This isn't about becoming a ballet dancer, it's about staying capable, confident, and pain-free in real life. Weak core right-pointing arrow body compensates right-pointing arrow pain and injury. Strong core right-pointing arrow joint protection plus smooth movement. 2. Reduced back pain. Lower back pain is extremely common, and one of the biggest causes is weak core muscles. A study in 2019 showed that doing plank variations for just 3 weeks reduced lower back pain, improved mobility, increased daily comfort and activity levels. Planks strengthen the muscles supporting the spine, meaning your back doesn't have to struggle alone. 3. Better posture within weeks. Planks teach your body to hold proper spinal alignment. They strengthen abdominals, lower back muscles, hips and glutes, upper back muscles. Better posture means less back and neck pain, a taller, more confident stance, a slimmer, lifted midsection appearance, better breathing. And yes, posture affects how people perceive you. You look stronger, more confident, and more energetic. 4. Toned, defined physique. Planks work multiple muscle groups at once: core and abs, shoulders, chest, back, arms, especially triceps, glutes, thighs and calves. With consistent practice, you'll notice slimmer waist, flatter stomach, more sculpted shoulders and arms, toned thighs, firmer glutes, better muscle definition overall. Pro tip for maximum results: squeeze your glutes, tighten your thighs, pull your belly button inward, and spread your fingers into the ground to activate your lats and upper back. This turns one exercise into a full body sculpting move. 5. Increased flexibility. Although planks aren't a stretch, they gently lengthen and activate hamstrings, hip muscles, foot arches, shoulder stabilizers. In 4 to 6 weeks, you'll feel looser, move more freely, and reduce injury risk. 6. Lower blood pressure. A study from Canterbury Christ Church University found that isometric exercises, like planks, reduce blood pressure almost twice as effectively as traditional aerobic activity. Daily planks help improve circulation, strengthen the cardiovascular system, lower hypertension risk. What about longer plank routines? A 2021 study found that 20 minutes of elbow planks per day, 5 days per week, for 4 weeks resulted in increased muscle strength, better endurance, higher metabolism, increased muscle mass, reduced fat mass, weight loss. But do you need 20 minutes every day? No, especially if you're a beginner. Start with 1 minute, progress gradually, challenge yourself without pain. So tell me, did I convince you to add daily planks to your life? If you've already tried a plank a day challenge, share your results below. I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and if you'd like to contact me, your certified fitness trainer, check the video description for details. See you in the next video, and remember, 1 minute a day can change your body and your life.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.